In this video, I will show you how you can earn $80 per click without investment. So pay attention to this video carefully. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to press the like button. Don't forget to subscribe, hit the bell notification. For today's tutorial, we are using a website called userlytics.com, a platform that connects website and app developers, testers like you. These developers want to be sure that their product works and is bug-free before releasing it publicly. And that's where you come in. To get started, all you have to do is go to the platform and sign up. Sign up for an account is quick and easy, and it's completely free to join once you sign up. You will be asked to complete your profile, which will help the platform to start applying with relevant material opportunities after completing your profile. For tests, the platform offers a wide variety of tests, so you're sure to find something that interests you. The best part is that you can do it all on your computer, which means you can work from anywhere at any time. Perfect for anyone looking to make some extra money on their own or a student. Now let's talk about money. Userlytics pays testers anywhere from $5 to $90 per test, depending on the complexity of the work and the time it takes to complete it. Cannot you go up fast and get paid to do what you used to enjoy, browsing the internet and testing new apps? So to get started, click on the Join Us button in the upper right corner, and it will take you to a page where you can choose to sign up as a tester or customer. Because we're interested in becoming a tester, then select that option. You need to fill in some basic information such as your email address, name, and password. After entering your information, click on the Create Account button, and then you will be directed to a page where you can complete your profile. Be sure to include as much information as possible. You will see a list of available tests that you can apply for. Each test will have a brief description and the amount you will be paid for completing it. Some tests may require special conditions, such as having a certain devices or placed in a certain age range. Be sure to read the requirement carefully before applying for the exam. It's important to note that Userlytics only pays testers through PayPal, so if you don't have a PayPal account, you'll need one to get paid. After requesting the test, you will receive detailed instruction on how to complete the test. Don't worry, if you aren't a tech expert, you don't have to be a user. A beginner, your feedback is still valuable to other websites. While Userlytics is a great platform to earn money by testing apps and websites, there are also many other legitimate websites that offer similar opportunities. Let me tell you about a few of them. Userfield.com. If you are looking for another website for website testing and paid programs, then you might want to consider Userfield, which is similar to Userlytics because it pays you to test websites and apps and provide feedback on your experience. Great things about users. You will feel that the tests are usually shorter than the Userlytics tests, which usually take around 10 and 20 minutes. For each test you complete, you can earn $10 for just a few minutes of your time. But there is one thing you should now consider. When it comes to user field test, the use of a microphone is necessary because the users wants a stronger understanding of your experience, including any spoken feedback it might get. So before you apply to be a user tester, make sure you have access to a microphone that you can use during your test. It could even be the standard microphone that comes with your laptop. Another website you might want to check out is perfection.com. While this site is based in French and offers audition opportunities, there are people all over the world. Testers pay 10 euros for each test, which is roughly equivalent to 11 tests. Finding specific information on a website or making a purchase, plus you'll be rewarded with 10 euros for each quiz complete, which can really add up over time. To register and apply for the test, you must be able to navigate in French, but Perfection also offers tests in English. So if you are comfortable with the language, you should be the one to find opportunities to earn money. It is important to note that not all websites that offer paid testing opportunities are created equal. Some, such as usertesting.com and userdo.com, are among the most popular and competitive platforms. While they offer higher payouts than some other websites, they are difficult to access. If you are just starting out, the competition can be fierce. It is best to avoid these platforms until you are most experienced in finding legit test website. It is important to do your research and read reviews from other users. Make sure the website you are considering has a good reputation for paying their testers on time and providing clear instructions for completing the testers. Another thing to keep in mind is that testing websites is not a reliable source of income. While they can be a great way to earn money, while it is unlikely to replace a full-time job and earn some cash, it's also worth nothing that tutorials may not always be available. So you'll need to be patient and wait for new opportunities to hit the site. Live tutorials can be a fun and interesting way to earn money, especially if you enjoy trying out new apps and websites. And who knows, you might even find a new favorite app or website. Discover it process so you have it. I hope this video was useful for you.